Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you the correct way on how you can handle eBay payment holds. Okay, so if eBay is holding your money and you want to find a solution, I was in your shoes. I was like doing drop shipping from AliExpress to eBay, and eBay was holding money like crazy. Every payment is on hold, so I was running away from money to buy these products. Now here is exactly my experience with like over 10 accounts, 10 eBay stores. Here is my experience. Now once you reach like 50 products, around that 50 products, and you upload the tracking number quickly, eBay will start to release the payments in just 24 hours. Okay, so what I want you to do, I'm going to click here on awaiting shipment. Now when you get an order just like this, for example, just try to upload the tracking number as soon as possible. Just click on add tracking number and the shipping company name, and then click on save and continue. When you do that for like around 50 products, eBay will start to release the payment in just 24 hours, just like this one. I'm going to check if I am allowed to see this here. Now this one, as you can see, the buyer has paid for this order and we are processing the payment. When processing is complete, the funds will be available. So the processing takes only 24 hours. It also says here estimated availability is the next day, okay, 29, and today is 28, so just 24 hours. Now before I was waiting a lot, okay, like 30 days for the payment to be released. So what you can get from this is try to upload the tracking number quickly. Now another way, which I was doing but it was not very good compared to now, is whenever I get an order, like whenever someone purchases the item from my eBay store, I add the tracking number quickly and wait for the item to be delivered. Now when it's delivered, the payment will be released not in 24 hours. I remember it's like around 5 days. Okay, so make sure you upload the tracking number, and then when the item is delivered, then you just need to wait that like 7 days or 5 days. Okay, so that's another way. Okay, another way, guys, to receive it quickly is when the item is delivered, contact the buyer. Say, hi, can you please leave a feedback on our on the order. Now the moment you leave a feedback, it signs, like it gives a sign to eBay that this item is already delivered and the buyer doesn't have any problem with it. That's why he left a feedback. Now the payment, you will receive it quickly. Okay, yeah, that's exactly, guys, how you can do this. I hope, guys, this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I try to reply to every single comment. Just let me know in the comments what are your questions, and I will try to reply to you guys. Drop a like, that will be highly appreciated. I'm trying to hit 5 likes on this tutorial, and see you guys next tutorial.